What's up? It's Jay Johnson back at it, and I got a case review for you for the iPhone XR. It is the OtterBox Symmetry case. I wanted to get something with a little bit more protection for the XR, you know, on the times when I go out to, you know, outdoors, maybe hiking, something where I want to get a little bit of extra protection. So this is the Symmetry case. It's supposed to have that drop protection that you need. It's not like the full OtterBox cases where it's real bulky. This is supposed to be a little bit more slim. So let me go ahead and unbox this real quick. It's easy to just to pull open, and as you can see, it's not a big, thick, bulky case. Let me see. Let's go ahead and put this on. It's not that hard to put on there, and you can see right here with the buttons. Buttons are really easy to use, clicky. This side, really easy to click on. Oops, I ain't trying to do all that. So it doesn't add a lot of bulk. It has a nice little ridge around here, so when you lay it down, it's not really deep, but it's enough that you're not going to be laying down on the device. And then also here for the camera, as you can see, when you lay it down, it's not going to touch that camera bump. So looks like it's going to be a good case. A lot of protection around the edges. I have a screen protector in the front, tempered glass. I would say the only drawback with this case is that it's black and you don't get to see that beautiful color of the iPhone XR, because you really want to show that color off. And the price retails for about $49.99. So there you have it. It's a Symmetry case, real comfortable, not really bulky, provides pretty decent protection. I will say the only drawback is that you're not going to see the color of the phone and the price. So if you have any other questions, any other comments, leave them down below. And until next time, peace.